Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome back. Yesterday we were talking about an interesting chapter. You know it very well. We were talking about what chapter? We were talking about nouns, correct? And I told you what are nouns, what are types of nouns, common noun, proper noun. We studied two types of nouns, right? Which were those two types of nouns? Proper noun and common noun, right? And I told you proper noun means the words which are the names of a particular person, place, thing, bird or animal. Those words are known as proper nouns. And the words, or you can say the common noun, stands for any person, place, animal, bird or thing. It stands for any person, it stands for any place, it stands for anything, it stands for any animal, it stands for any bird. Are you getting? And then yesterday we did underlining of common noun and proper noun in the sentences. I told you to do that homework in your notebook. I think you have done in yesterday's period. After seeing yesterday's period, you might have done question number 1 in your notebook. Now today you have to do question number 2 in your notebook. Okay. Now what we are going to do in question number 2, it is very interesting. And this games you are playing, I think, you play with your friends. I don't know whether standard students play or not, but if standard students used to play this game. Now what is that? It is a word train. What it is? Word trains. Now I will write question only for you, okay? Question number 2. Prepare word trains. Prepare word trains of the following. Of the following. What we are going to do? We are going to make word trains. Word train means what? Train means what? You know it very well. Train means what? Railway. And words. The train of words we are going to do. What we are going to do? We are going to do trains, or yes, we are going to do trains of the words. Now according to what? According to first one is fruits. First one is what? Fruits. Second one is people. Third one is countries. Fourth one is rivers. Rivers. I'm keeping little gap so that we will be able to draw train. Okay? I'm keeping little gap so that we can write down train over here. As many as words we can write, we will try it. Okay? Next one is games. Sixth point is of things. And the last one is of vegetables. Last one is of what? Vegetables. Now pay attention. Here now in question number 2, what we have to prepare? We have to prepare word train. Now if I will give you first word, for example, if I give you first word is plum. Plum is a fruit. Now what we have to do is, from the last letter of the word, we are going to make another new word. Okay, from the last letter of the word, P-L-U-M, plum. M is the last letter. So from last letter, what we are going to do? We are going to make another meaningful word. For example, mango. Now what is last letter of this word? Now this is one bookie, okay, for example. Then second. Now from the last letter O, what we are going to do? We are going to make another new word of fruits. Now this is train of what? This is a train of fruits. Correct? If it should look like train, then I will do like this. Okay, 1 minute. I will do like this. Does it orange. Orange is what? Orange is a fruit. Have you got it? Now last one is E. Do you have any fruit from E? Or only three examples are enough? I think three examples are enough. Now next example or next train which we are going to make is of people. Now name of a person or name of a people. Now for example, if I will take first word is Shivam. S-H-I-V-A-M, Shivam. Now which is the last letter in this word? The last letter in this word is M. So what we are going to write down? We are going to write down another new word from which letter? From M letter. Okay, so the another word which I am going to write down from M letter is, for example, you can tell in your class, I think so Mangesh is there, so Mangesh. Now, which is the last letter in this word? The last letter in this word is H. Which letter is last in this word? M-A-N-G-E-S-H. The last letter is H. So we are going to write down spelling, or if we are going to write down name of the person from which letter? From H letter. So what is another name from H? For example, Harsh. So in this way, what we have done? We have done word train of fruits. We have done word train of people. Are you getting or not? Shivam, the last letter is M. From M we have made Mangesh word. Correct? Then H is last letter. So from H we have written another new word, that is Harsh. Have you understood? Now next example or next train which we are going to do is of countries. Now come on, tell me any one name of the country. Can you tell me name of a country? I think yes, you will be able to tell me name of a country. Come on, let us say name of our country. Okay, we stay in which country? We stay in India. So I will write down first I-N-D-I-A, India. Okay, first part of our training is over of countries. Now second, now which country comes from letter A, or which country starts, or the name of which country starts from A letter? A, Africa, Australia, America. We will write down Africa. And now again A has come. After Africa, then what you can write down? Come on, Africa, A-F-R-I-C-A, Africa. Now from the last letter A, we are going to make another new word, what we call new word. What word will come over here? Australia. Australia. You can write down America, you can write down Australia, you can write down more. Which countries are there? Come on, tell me some more names of countries starting. Argentina is there. Correct? There are many countries which starts from letter A. Now what we have done? We have done word train of fruits. We have done word train of people. We have done word train of countries. Now we are going to do word train of rivers. If I will take first river, name of a river, Ganga. Come on, let us start with river. Ganga. Then we want name of a river starting with A. Come on, tell me name of a river which starts with A. Is there any river? Or should I change? I'll take Indus. Wait, I will take Indus river. Indus river flows in the north part of India. Okay, north part of India. Now I-N-D-U-S, Indus. The Jammu and Kashmir is there, correct? Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla and all that place. There this river flows. You might be studying in EVS. I don't know whether you study or not, but then Indus river flows in the north part of India. Indus now, last letter is S. So the another river which starts from S letter is, I would like to write is Satluj. Which river? Satluj river. Now last word or last letter is J. So which river name will come from J? Can you tell? Jamuna. Jamuna is the name of river. Can you see? Is it visible for you to see Jamuna river? Just a minute, I will adjust. Okay. Can you see now name Jamuna? Rivers: Indus, Satluj, Jamuna. Now games. Come on, tell. Which game is your favorite game? Cricket. Cricket. Now, after cricket, last letter of word cricket is what? T. So, we want another word which starts with letter T. We want what? Last letter. We want last letter to form a new word. Come on, tell me which another game starts with T. Tennis? Yes, tennis. Yes, very good. And now last letter is S. Come on, tell me name of a game which starts with S. Soccer? Yes, soccer. In this way, we have completed word train of rivers, word train of games, and now word train of things. Come on, tell me any one thing. Which thing you would like to tell me first now? And you might be sitting on chair and seeing my video. So let us take word chair. It is a thing. Chair is what? It is a thing. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Correct? Now the last letter in this word is R. So which thing will come after this? Racket. Do you have racket at home? We play what? Badminton with the help of racket and shuttle. Racket? Yes, racket. The last letter which is in this word is T. Come on, tell another word which starts, or the thing which starts from letter T. You might have kept your books on table. So table starts from letter T. Yes, table starts from letter T. In this way, we have completed three examples of word train, right? And the last example which we are going to do, or the word train which we are going to do, is of vegetables. Come on, tell me name of any one vegetable which you know. If I will tell you any one, for example, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Don't say brinjal, say brinjal. And now last letter is L. So which vegetable starts with letter L? Ladies finger? Yes, ladies finger starts with letter L. So second example is what? Ladies finger. Now last letter is R. Come on, tell. Which example will start with letter R? Which example will start with letter R? Radish? Yes, radish. Radish is the correct answer. Is it correct? Yes. R. In this way, we have completed what? We have completed word train of fruits, word train of people, word train of countries, word train of rivers, word train of games, word train of things, word train of vegetables. Have you understood? And I want you all to write down this word train in your notebook. And in this way, we have completed our first lesson, the proper and common nouns. I told you nouns means naming words. Name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, name of an animal, name of a bird. Such words are known as nouns. And you have studied, there are 5 total, but from that we are studying today 2, that is proper noun and common noun. There is abstract noun, there is collective noun. Are you understanding or not? There are some more examples, but we are studying only 2 types. There are more types of nouns, but for your class we are studying only 2 types of nouns, that is proper noun and common noun. I think you have understood this lesson. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. And please complete question number 1 and question number 2 in your English notebook. If you don't have separate English notebook for grammar, then do one thing, make 2 parts of your English notebook. Okay, 75% you keep for English Balbharati and 25% you keep for English grammar. And there you can start writing English grammar's first lesson. Have you understood? Have you understood? Please pay attention what I am saying. Don't say I don't have notebook and ma'am I was not having notebook, so I did not write anything of English grammar. If you have 200 pages notebook, 75% of notebook you keep for English textbook, Balbharati, and 25% little part, some pages you keep, 20 to 25 pages you keep for English grammar, and you can start writing your English grammar lessons or whatever questions are told you to write down in notebook, you start writing it. Okay, I think you have understood lesson. That's all for today. Tomorrow we will study about collective noun. I told you there are more types of nouns. Tomorrow we are going to study collective noun. After that we are going to study countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, today we have studied what? Proper and common noun. Tomorrow we are going to study collective noun. If you have grammar books of your elder sister, brother, or you have taken old books of some other students, you can read that second lesson. Okay, and try to understand it before I explain you. Okay, thank you.